Come on in and welcome to SIlver Chalet, one of 3 glamping houses we have at English Creek Hideaway. We are going over the full tour today of this 160 square foot, 10 by 16 foot old hickory building shed to tiny house conversion. In this tiny house, we tried to utilize every square inch to make it both functional and beautiful for guests that visit us. In this layout, we have the loft bed, which gives more square footage downstairs compared to our other layout at Meadowview. But in this tiny house, there is amazing views of our large property and the creekside access, along with lots of other amenities. We have to start this video with the views of SIlver Chalet. We built privacy fencing, an outdoor shower and tub combo that we show more in detail later on this video, another outdoor tub that lets you soak in the views, relax, and recharge on your getaway. We also provide an outdoor fire pit with string lights and a bar top to sip your morning coffee. We currently have 5 glamping stays and have signs throughout the property to guide guests to their designated tiny house or treehouse dome tents. Guests park in this gravel area so they are close to the community barn, and we try to make things easy to navigate with signs where to park as well. Each stay has enough distance to feel private, but close enough to our 100-year-old barn with all the fun activities. SIlver Chalet and all the glamping stays have signs to help navigate you in the right direction. We absolutely love these lush green views, and we get quite a bit of rain, so we thought it would be a good idea to help guests keep their feet nice and clean and easily roll their luggage on this wood walkway leading up to the tiny house. And you can see that the community barn is only a few steps away as well. Now let's do the thorough tour of everything SIlver Chalet offers our guests. So come on in and take a step inside. Every inch of the space was thoroughly crafted on how we could accommodate guests best. We insulated the roof and all of the walls so guests can stay comfortable in any weather, and we chose this layout specifically to take in the views. We repurposed this patio door to create a beautiful landscape opening window that brings in all the light throughout this home and soaks up the views of the outdoor tub and all the greenery outside. In our glamping stays, we strive to offer to make your space extra comfortable. We have a Keurig with coffee pods, creamers, and sugar options. Then under the sink, we provide a hot plate, pots and pans, a tea kettle with different tea options, kitchen towels, cleaning products, and even pancake mix and syrup for guests. And guests have all the dishes they need. We have majority of everything a typical kitchen has, with glasses, bowls. We even have salt and oil and vinegar as well. Then you can see we have a small mirror. We got the suggestion from guests so they could get ready in the morning as well as brush their teeth. And we have vintage inspired refrigerator and microwave. And if you even want more coffee and tea options, we have those as well. We hope every guest gets cozy and comfy in our snuggly robes we provide, along with a full-length mirror. And that's always a must when you have to check out your outfit and see what you're going to look like going on your hike for the day. One of the main questions we get asked is about the bathroom situation. We have a traditional flushing toilet in the small half bath that runs on a septic system, and we offer many hooks, 2 in the bathroom and 3 outside of the bathroom to hang any clothes. Now, if you take a few steps outside of the bathroom, we created a functional feature wall and a staircase where we can store things like towels, the hair dryer, toilet paper, but we also have some fun decor and a little sign as well to tell you to get out there and adventure. And we added a beautiful rustic chandelier and created a sturdy and secure staircase and ladder up to the loft that double as more storage for guests. We took a big risk painting the floors a really bold and fun design that mirrors our starry nights that we have out here in Tennessee. Then this couch, as we zoom up, folds out into 2 twin beds that are perfect for kiddos or additional guests. And something that I love doing is putting together a welcome basket for each tiny home or tent stay. They are really fun for me to put together, and I love making each vacation and guest feel special. It's one of my favorite things to do, and it's my favorite thing about hosting guests. And notice the phone charger that's provided for all phone types so guests can capture their moments, and make sure to tag us on social media. Now walking in, let's give you a perspective of what the whole open floor plan looks like, and let's zoom up to the sleeping quarters. We wanted each guest to feel safe going up these steps, so we made them very big and sturdy. The loft is carpeted for extra comfort with a luxury foam mattress, lots of comfy pillows, 2 bedside lights, and a fan for additional cooling if guests would like that. We also have a safety railing on both sides of the steps and ladder for security and extra safety for guests. And then another common question we receive is about the heat or AC. And all of our tiny homes have a wall unit that does a wonderful job keeping the space comfortable with both AC and heat. Just use this remote, pick it up, and make sure to point it at the device and control the settings any way that you would prefer. One of our favorite features in the home is this live edge wood countertop. We also provide very fast Wi-Fi, so if you need to do work, we can accommodate you very well. Or you can just enjoy a book or a meal with this beautiful view and this live edge bar top. Remember that this window opens so you can enjoy bringing the outdoors in and feel a breeze, or if you want to snuggle up and watch a show, we have a Roku smart TV where you can stream any shows that you enjoy. Or if you prefer to unplug, we have lots of nature for you to enjoy, strolling along the creek and pasture, and hanging out in our 100-year-old community barn. Now let's head out, enjoy these fabulous views once more, and let's go over and check out the outdoor shower that we have in SIlver Chalet. The outdoor shower runs on a tankless water heater, so you can enjoy endless hot water. And inside this outdoor shower and tub combo, we have solar twinkle lights that are beautiful at night and string lights to choose from. We provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash for all guests. And we have hooks to hang your clothes or your robe, a bench for added comfort, and a door to the shower that has a lock for added privacy. Then if we zoom out here, this outdoor trough is 6 feet, so plenty of room to stretch out and enjoy the endless hot water that we provide alongside the incredible views that we offer here at English Creek Hideaway. And thank you so much for watching our video. We would love to hear your thoughts on our glamping tiny house. Please like, subscribe, and comment any feedback below, and stay tuned for our next video. We are Andres and Chelsea. We uprooted our lives from Arizona to Eastern Tennessee.
We sold our long-term rentals and are putting everything on the line to start our dream glamping business.
Join us each week as our family navigates this big new adventure, and we share everything we learn so you can also build a successful glamping business.